friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to add and remove iMessage email address on iPhone and iPad. Do you use iMessage to stay in touch with your friends, family, and colleagues? If you are an iPhone or iPad user, you might necessarily be aware of the fact that you can use an email address with iMessage instead of your phone number. Apple's iMessage service that's baked into the stock Messages app is extremely popular among Apple users as it offers a free and convenient way to text other iPhone, iPad, and Mac owners. If you are on iPhone, your phone number is used to activate iMessage by default. However, you can manually add the Apple ID that's linked to your device or add any other Apple account for that matter. This allows you to send and receive texts from other iMessage users while keeping your phone number private. Do know that adjusting settings like this can lead to some confusion down the road, and for most users, it's best to just let iMessage use the default settings and Apple ID as expected. Using multiple Apple IDs is not an ideal scenario and is not recommended by Apple. Adding or removing email address for use with iMessage is a pretty simple and straightforward procedure on iOS devices. Let me show you how it's done the quick way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To get going, launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, scroll down and then select iMessage. Then tap Send and Receive. In this menu, tap on Use your Apple ID for iMessage to add an iMessage email address. Next, you'll have the option to choose the Apple account you want to use with Apple ID. To add the Apple account email address that's linked to your device, simply tap on Sign In, or if you want to use a different account, choose Use Other Apple ID. If you want to remove an email address that you are already using, tap on your Apple ID email address at the bottom of the Send and Receive section. Now choose Sign Out and you are good to go. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can add or remove iMessage email address on your iPhone or iPad. Once you have added an email account, you'll have the option to deselect your phone number and stop using it for iMessage in the same menu. This way, you can keep texting iMessage users from the email address and without having to reveal your actual phone number. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.